Huh? Can you say hi, Daddy? Uh-oh.
I think you can turn him around.
Yeah.
Hey, Sam.
Look. He goes bones. Oh, there's your balloon. Get that. Oh, you just love the ball. Good job. Come on. Need some help. Come on. You want to get out and go see something else? Oh, Daddy. Oh, Daddy. Here you go. Come on. Come on. There you go. Good job, Sam. Roll down the stairs. Good turkey. Go see, buddy. Go see. How does she go see. What is it? Yeah, what is it? Can you throw it? Throw it. Throw it. Sam. Sam. Here it comes. Ready? I know, that's pretty cool. All these things. Sam, what is that, huh? What is that? Whoa. 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 Good job. Can you throw that ball? Can you sit up first of all? Whoa. Good job. Do it. Sam, look. Watch. Oh. Uh-oh. Say boom. That's oh.
Pretty good shot. 2 shots.
This is like old news to him now. This rose.
So was Dr. both saying anything else, or she just brought you in here? I can tell what she was saying about a picture. I was wondering like if they want us in here too. They don't act like they don't. They just kind of stare at us like all these people.
Can you get up there, Sam? Oh. Do you remember what that thing is? Can you say please? Boy. Come here. There you go. What's in there now, huh? You gonna knock it over? Oh. You rolling it? Woo. Go ahead, buddy. Go ahead.
Hey, Sam.
Come on.
Sam, you roll that? Sam, can you roll that thing?
Oh, he's trying to pick it back up. There you go. Go on that side. Go ahead. Push. Good job. Go. Push. Up. Here you go. Push. I know you're gonna knock it over. Oh!
Oh!
He sat up so fast.
You
Were you on the
ran.
defensive a little? What happened? I know, it's kind of squished your face, didn't it? I'm gonna take that sweater off. Careful. Whoa.